Bakit nyo rin po direktang natukoy or tinukoy at iniugnay dito ang China?
We have to understand the adversary we face. Ito yung sinasabi ko kahapon, the bigger picture. And many times, we have seen that we are being battered in the West Philippine Sea by the Coast Guard, by the PLA Navy, by the Maritime Militia. In international fora, we hear their narratives, their misinformation, disinformation, malinformation, painting the Philippines as the aggressor, as the country causing all the trouble in the West Philippine Sea, South China Sea, demonizing us. This is done by the Chinese Communist Party whose objective is regime survival. Bakit? Kung sakaling magising ang tao nila, posibleng umaklas ang tao nila. And this is done through the UFW system or the United Front Work system. It is a network of parties and state agencies designed to co-opt or to influence other people, other states, other groups. And in country, in the Philippines, UFW is active. Hindi natin ito nakikita, nararamdaman lamang. Part of the activities here is electoral interference. Kamakailan lamang, meron tayong isang local chief executive na nagsabi, Your Honor, wala ako alam, lumaki ako sa farm. We see alleged spies who were accosted, arrested by government agencies with high-tech equipment to monitor the information environment. We have the Sister Cityhood program, which is another vehicle, a Trojan horse, for them to be able to send tourists here who would settle in country. 35-year-old males, malalakas, matitipuno, who would reside in the Philippines. We have seen a lot of misinformation, disinformation, malinformation being waged against us. And part of this is supporting electoral change. So it is not far-fetched. We are still looking into this. Saan ba nanggaling ang funding nito? Were this only cause-oriented groups? May local domestic sponsor ba? Or is it possible na merong kinalaman dito? UFW ng Chinese Communist Party. We are checking that.
Sir, ang sabi naman po ng UPI, no, wala raw foreign funding at sarili nilang pera ang ginastos sa rally. Ano po ang masasabi nyo rito? And so far, ano na po ba ang nakukuha nyong detalye sa investigasyon?
Again, if what they say is true, maraming salamat at tinulungan nila kami. But when they say that wala ka siyang pwede ipakain sa mga nag-attend ng rally nila, but they would file for an extension of 1 day, ibig sabihin may pondo sila. So nagko-conflict ang mga statements nila. As to what we have found out so far, it's still an ongoing check, so I will leave it at that.